Accommodations can be one of the biggest expenses when traveling. However, there are several ways to find free or discounted lodging that can save you a considerable amount of money. House sitting is an excellent way to save on accommodation costs. This is the one that I use the most. There's platforms like Trusted House Sitters, which offer opportunities in great places. Trusted House Sitters works by connecting travelers with homeowners looking for sitters. You sign up for it, you create a profile, and you start applying for house sitting opportunities. It's a win-win. Most of these, you're either house sitting a dog or a cat, but every once in a while you find one where there's no pets. People just have gardens or plants, things that need to be taken care of while they're away. So I've stayed everywhere from mountain places, oceanfront. So there's a lot of opportunities when you're looking for house sitting sites. Mastering these strategies is important because they will empower you to travel more frequently, comfortably, and affordably. They open up possibilities for more destinations and experiences that you wouldn't otherwise been out of reach due to budget constraints. This approach to travel planning ensures that you get the most value out of every trip, creating richer and more memorable travel experiences. Look at Trusted House Sitters. Check out my ebook, which will dive into strategies on how you can travel more or less. My links are below, and let's get your dream trip booked.